Hi friends, welcome back. This is unboxing and assembly video of Dell ultrasharp 4K gaming monitor. The model number is U3223QE. This is an excellent monitor. It has got increased or enhanced color gamut, and it has got several ports. It supports USB hub as well. So the hub is USB-C, so it can directly connect using one USB-C, and we can connect Ethernet cable and couple of other peripherals or cables to monitor on the back side. Let's unbox it. It comes with a nice packaging as well, and very secure packaging. That's the packing list. Let's remove the cardboard box. It's a silver and white color stand, and it has got good display panel as well. It is IPS panel. There are 3 cables provided along with this monitor. So this is the pack containing the base plate. The base plate is quite heavy, just to withstand for support, and these are the leaflets and information or instruction manual. This is the cable USB-A to USB-A, and this is USB-A to USB-C, and there is another cable USB-C to USB-C, and there is the power cable. There is the monitor panel itself. It has got power button on the back. Let's attach the monitor arm. This is the closer look, and affixing the base plate. There is a screw at the bottom. We can just twist and turn using the hand itself. We don't have to use any tools for assembly of this monitor. That's a good thing. So you are seeing all those ports behind. That's the USB hub. There are several USB-A, USB-C, Ethernet port, and that's a power button. That's the Dell logo behind. This is the front view. Thanks. Please subscribe.